AI isn't coming, it's already here. Every day, new tools, new tutorials, new automations, and most people are just watching, not building. I am Sandeep Patharkar, founder of the Skool community, AI Automation Champions. If you're a beginner overwhelmed with dozens of AI tools, templates, and tutorials, this is for you. AIC Plus gives you a structured 0 to 1 learning path. We show you exactly what to learn and in what order, how to apply it as well. Step by step, you'll go from confusion to building real AI automations that actually work in your daily life or your job. If you run an agency, your challenges are different. How do you implement AI securely for your clients? How do you deploy private N8N instances locally on your cloud infrastructure like AWS? Scalable, reliable, and proper logging with monitoring. What is that? AIC Plus walks you through enterprise-grade implementations live. You'll learn best practices, get real-time answers, and build automations ready for productions the way all the top agencies are doing it. On your own learning, AI can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Subscription fees, tokens, you name it, and the confusion. We have partnered with multiple AI companies to bring incredible discounts, and some tools are even totally free for a year. Over $300,000 tools that you'll use to our members. So your membership is practically paid from day one. If you join now, you get access to weekly live builds. See templates built right from scratch so that you can learn and ask questions to us. 50 plus plug and play automations ready to deploy, production grade. 300,000 plus in AI tools discount. Structured learnings from beginner to pro. The official price is $49 a month, but for the first 100 founding members, you lock in it at $29 per month. Spots are very limited, it's just 100. Once they are gone, this rate disappears. Whether you're learning starting from zero or running an AI agency, AIC Plus is your chance to stop watching AI happen and start building for it yourself. Join today, become an implementer in AI, a practitioner, and future-proof your work career. In 2025, the people who use AI will outperform the people who don't. Don't get left behind. Join now. Thank you.